hotel that was just built up in Mount Washington called the Summit House. Look everybody on the right, there's a moose. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. That moose did work for the state of New Hampshire Police and Game Department. He's a decoy for poachers, so he has a lot of bullet holes in him. Once they retired him, he came to work for the Cog Railroad here. So what started out as a beautiful day for Sylvester and his reverend to take a hike soon turned terrible. They got caught up in a very, very bad storm, a death-causing storm, causing Sylvester and his reverend to get lost. They eventually found their way to the top of Mount Washington and stayed at the Summit House.
I'm sorry. Oh, you're fine.
The very next morning, Sylvester took a look around and saw how beautiful it was on top of Mount Washington.